Good evening all. Joshi. I'm a research scholar of Department of Tourism and Hospitality, Arunadha University, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. The topic is significance of customer satisfaction and loyalty expectations in global segment. Introduction. Customer satisfaction is undoubtedly the primary factor to establishing a long-lasting association with the clients. In case where users think again to seeing analogy heading with the aid of the profits approaches is just a little like wooing the potential client to switch them right into the prospect client. This paper presents the significance of loyalty, gross feedback, and service structure of aviation business, which is we call as a air supply chain management. Assistance quality pointing to client fulfillment is believed to be a state of mind ensuing via an assessment of precise effectiveness of the solution that objectives concerning the customer. To achieve a large tier of support satisfaction, corporations a customer's quest from the targets they feature prior to the experience commences to the criteria they are likely to produce every time it is over. Client services are an essential element of any kind of industry and then inevitably establish the complete gains as well as revenue of the corporation. Airport facilities are the initial and preceding place of tourists contacting their valuable traveling to a country. Accordingly, offering need to be handled at an airport terminal in a productive manner to be able to lower traveling time as well as to enable relaxation hours in the professional environments of the airport terminal. The quality of client services could be possibly be the determinant that alerts airlines grievances as well as proactively pressing and strategies to prevent them all are incredibly vital for the entire achievements of a corporation. Impact of customer satisfaction on business. The commercial aviation sector is an incredibly viable, security, hypersensitive, excessive technology services sector. Socio-technical models, staff, well as clients need to be the domains of an organization main expertise. Services providers need to understand client necessities to be able to accomplish anticipations to gain excessive client fulfillment within the support experience. Handling client expectancy is a crucial subject to permit client fulfillment. Objective provides as a key determinant of a customer's support quality, recommendations, as well as fulfillment. Loyalty on a business. Attitudinal loyalty is a normally comprehended as a methodically beneficial manifestation of choice to get the make or in additional terms as a representation of the physiological connection that customers experience for brands. Customer loyalty is usually right now gone appeared after as a dominant tool of success as well as development in an extremely affordable industry. To accomplish a faithful buyer foundation, one offers to appreciate the particular motorist of loyalty as well as the elements that may impact it. Conclusion. Gaining as well as continuing to keep faithful customers is merely as a crucial in the flight sector as in any additional organization. To produce a faithful buyer foundation, many airline carriers resort to repeated flash program. Advocacy or perhaps recommendation is usually an incredibly significant indication of loyalty, since it entails a certain quantity of interpersonal risk to advise brand to others. Establishing more powerful association by recurrent flyers is usually an organization problem that airlines will be struggling with. Consequently, the present study is designed to evaluate the shopper loyalty of aviation trade as well as propose suitable steps. Yes, sir. Thank you.